You found a free cosmetic formula on YouTube. You followed every step exactly. The cream looked perfect. You filled 100 jars. You were ready to launch your dream skincare brand. But 1 month later, everything changed. Now imagine 10 customers asking for refunds, retailers refusing your products, your hard-earned money disappearing, not because you copied more than a list of ingredients.
Here's something most beginners don't know. 2 ingredients with the same name can behave differently. Different manufacturers use different grades, purification methods, and raw material sources. Preservatives are another hidden challenge. The preservative in the original formula may work only within a specific pH range or may require certain processing conditions.
Manufacturing also matters. A formula developed in a professional laboratory using precision mixers, controlled heating, and standardized procedures may behave when prepared with basic equipment.
This is why copying a formula can become expensive. The real cost isn't the ingredients, it's failed batches, damaged reputation, customer complaints, and starting over.
Use free formulas to learn. But don't build a business by copying recipes alone. Learn why every ingredient is there, how it interacts with the others, and how to adapt a formula to your own raw materials. At Wish Cosmetics Academy, we believe successful brands aren't built by copying. Use free formulas to learn. Learn how to formulate with confidence, not guesswork. It saves it.